Hey folks, I wanted to make this quick video to first say hey to everybody out there that watches these bluegrass tutorials. My name's Cody, by the way. I went to school learning this style of music, and I know that a lot of my viewers are a bit older, and I just wanted to say hello. I am a performer on top of making a content on YouTube and things. I'm going out playing gigs several times a week, and I do the bars, I do the restaurants and that sorts of things, like the sports bars and everything. But a big chunk of what I do is playing at senior living facilities. And I just wanted to say that you're welcome here. And I know that this style of music can be a little bit frustrating, but trust me, it's really not that difficult to learn. And I think you can learn at any age. You just have to really take it bit by bit, okay? So I've put together what I'm calling Flatpick Foundations Light. So in this bluegrass mini course, which you can get down below this video, I've got the basic chords you'll need to learn, how to play bluegrass rhythm. There's some licks and some runs you can start practicing, some songs to start working on, as well as my recommendations to bluegrass music that you should explore if you're starting to learn. And these are all clickable. You get inside of there and you can watch videos. There's some videos of some students playing what they've learned. So I just want to say thanks again for watching. I know that it might seem a little difficult, but it's really not. You just have to find a good starting point, dedicate the time. It will take some time. I know this can be a bit daunting. I was on the Reddit forums the other day, and somebody described this style of music as humbling to most guitar players, and I thought that was interesting. But like I said, when you have a structured approach and you break it down bit by bit, and you're not overwhelmed by like a 32-note bluegrass lick, you can really actually start playing and making it sound really awesome and bluegrass-like pretty easily. But there are some concepts to go over. And in my full course, Flatpick Foundations, I go into much more detail. I'll also have a lot more licks and instrumentals to learn, as well as a deeper focus on rhythm. I've even got a lesson on singing in there. And I want to start a conversation down below about what elements that are tricky to new beginner bluegrass players. That way I can focus on them. And also let me know what you think about me performing at senior living facilities. Just to rant on that for a second, I find them to be the most rewarding gigs, honestly. They're becoming my favorite. Actually, they are my favorite because here in East Tennessee, at least where I go out and play locally, and that's mostly what I do, I'm a local musician. You're at the bar or the restaurant and you may not have like anybody looking at you the whole gig, or they're off watching the game or what have you. And so it can kind of be awkward, and that's okay if you're doing it sparingly, I think. But when I'm doing this like more and more for a living, and I'm doing it repetitively throughout the week, just standing up there for hours at a time, it's not really rewarding. But when I walk into a care home, and like I said, there's a whole array of them. There's some that just look like resorts. It's crazy. You're treated like a rock star, and the performances are generally way shorter than what you'll play at a bar or restaurant, and I get a whole lot of enjoyment out of it, and so does the audience, because they're actually there to watch and listen to you play music. And so anyway, again, thank you for watching so much. Leave me a comment. Make sure you like and share. I'm trying to get to more subscribers than Taylor Swift here just in the next couple weeks. I think I can do it. Let me know if you think I can in the comments, folks. Bye-bye.